Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Are you struggling with slow, inefficient and error-prone verification processes? Managing field agents manually, juggling paperwork and dealing with outdated systems can lead to costly delays and mismanagement. Meet Effort, the ultimate solution to streamline field verification. Whether you are verifying individuals, businesses, documents, or assets, Effort empowers your team with real time data collection, seamless field agent monitoring, and secure data management all in one mobile first platform. Now, let us see how you can use Effort to perform background verification. Now, as you can see, I have logged in as an admin and I would want to create verification tasks and assign them to my agents. So in order to do that, I'll go to the web app and from here, I'll go to the navigation menu and click on address verification. So this screen will tell me how many address verification tasks are in progress, how many have been completed, and also the aging of these tasks. Now to create a new task, I can click on add work and here I can fill in the details. I can define the time at which this task has to begin and also the time by which it has to be completed. Then I will select the address type. I will select RV, which stands for residential verification. Then I'll enter the name of the client, name of the customer, and I'll enter his location. Now, once I save this, a new verification task will be created. You can see it here, and these are the associated details. Now, let us see how the field agents can act upon these tasks. So, now let me share my mobile screen. As you can see, I have already installed the Effort Next mobile app on my phone. I'll open this app and here you can see I have logged in as Vijay Kumar, who is one of the field agents. Now the first thing that Vijay Kumar has to do before starting his work is sign in, which will mark his attendance. So I will click on sign in, and when I sign in, you can see the app will try to capture my selfie and also capture my current location. And once I click on sign in, my status will change to active. After signing in, I will receive all the tasks that have been assigned to me. So let us wait for a moment and let us see what all tasks have been assigned to us. As you can see, I received an invitation for the task that was created by my admin, and after receiving the invitation, I had to accept it. So unless I accept it, the alarm doesn't go off. So this alarm also rings even when the phone is on silent. So what it does is it ensures that none of the tasks is missed by the agent. So now I can go to address verification, and these are the details of this task. So you can see the name of the client, the name of the customer, the address type, and also the address. Also, you can see there is a timer uh, that is also you can see there is a timer at the bottom that is ticking based on the defined conditions. So now to act upon this ticket, I can click on this card, and here you can see it shows me a list of next actions that I can take depending on the outcome. So before selecting any one of these actions, I'll just scroll down since I want to first reach this customer's place. So here you can see uh, even more details of this ticket or this task, like the name of the client, the name of the customer, the contact number. Now if I want to contact this person, I can just click on his phone number and it will automatically open the keypad. Now if I want to reach his location, I would want to see his location, so I can click on view map, and what it will do is it will show me the path that I need to take to reach this customer's place. So here I've selected two-wheeler. Okay, so it is showing me the path that I need to take to reach this customer. So this way I can easily reach the customer, and once I'm at the customer's place, I can perform these activities. Now assume that I've met the applicant. I will be selecting the first option, and when I do that, it will open up this form. So here I will have to capture all the details of this applicant or this applicant's address. So first thing that I need to do is I have to upload my own selfie to ensure that my managers or my supervisors get a visibility that I was actually at the customer's location. Now, once that is done, I can proceed with the address verification. So I can take photos of the building. Assume that this is the building. I can take multiple photos. Then building photo two. Once again, I'll take a different photo. Click on save. Now I can also take a photo of the landmark. Assume that this is my landmark. I select this photo, and then I will enter the name of the person whom I have met. So in this case, assuming that I have met the applicant itself, I'll enter my name. Then I'll select the relationship. So I'll select applicant, and then I'll select options for the remaining data. House. So I've been staying here since 2000. I'll select the marital status, staying with family, working for designation, BA, date of birth. Then here I can select some address related data like the type of roof that my property has. Then I'll enter my qualification. Okay. Then I'll select my bank account, HDFC Bank, vehicle type, and is my address easy to locate? So I can select yes or no. Then locality of residence, middle class, square feet, 200 square feet, parking availability, yes. And here I'll select the standard of living and I'll click on save. Now once I save this, this particular task will come to a completion. As you can see, top left corner of this card has been marked as completed. So this particular task assigned to this agent has been completed. Now let us see how his managers or the admins can see what all activities were performed by this agent on the field. So for that, I'll have to switch to the web app. Once again, let me bring you back to the same screen from where we created this task. I'll refresh my page and here you can see the details. So here you can see the status has completed. Now if I want to see each detail or every data, all the data that was captured for each of the activities, I can click on the eye icon and here it will show me all the data. So first I have the data that I entered at the time of creating this task. Then here you can see the activities that were performed. So the agent met the applicant or the family member, and these are the images and the data that he has captured. Okay, so if you want to verify any image, you can just click on any one of the images. You can zoom in, zoom out, and so so this is how the admins or managers can gain visibility over the activities performed by their agents. And there is another way to see or get visibility over this process. So here you can see we have a dashboard for address verification that shows us how many tasks are pending, how many have been completed, how many are in progress. And this is an interactive dashboard. That is, whenever you click on a number, it will take you to that particular item. So when I click on 16, it will show me all the 16 tasks that have been completed. Now, if I scroll down, I should be able to see the task that I created today. So when I click on the last item, you can see. So this is the task that we had created and completed just now. So this is how the admins can create address verification tasks and assign it to their agents, which get automatically assigned based on their proximity to the customers. Now let us see how we can create an identity verification task and how it can be performed by the agents. So this time I'll click on identity verification, and here I'll click on add work, and here I'll fill in the details of this applicant. So these are the details of this applicant: date of birth, gender, and select his date of birth, email address. I'll enter my email address so that I can show you the emails that the applicant will receive. Then this is the address. I'll enter his location, and then I can assign it to one of my agents. So I'll assign it to Vijay Kumar, who is a field agent. So I'll click on save. Now once this is saved, this task will go to Mr. Vijay and it will be visible on his mobile app. So once the application syncs, you can see there will be one item under actions required. So here I can click on identity verification, and it will show me the details of the person whose identity I need to verify. So I can click on this, card, and it will show me all the details associated with this applicant, like his contact number, his location. Okay. So I can call this person and I can decide the place and time where this person is going to be available, and I can meet him and collect the documents that are necessary for ID verification. So now assume that I had an interaction with this person and he has requested me to come to a specific spot. So in this case, I will start my travel, and once I reach the location, I'll say I've reached the location. Now I can capture the documents. So here, when I say capture documents, you can see there are two uh, ID proofs that I need to scan. First is the Aadhaar card. So I have an Aadhaar card here. I'll be scanning it. Now here you can see that once I scan the Aadhaar card, it will show, the app will pass the data from this ID proof, and it will populate this data in this form, like the full name, the gender, and the Aadhaar number. Similarly, I'll scan the PAN card, and here you can see after scanning the PAN card, it populates the remaining details like the PAN number and the date of birth, and I'll click on save. Now once I click on save, this data that I've collected will go through multiple levels of approval. So first it will go to my manager. So now I'll log in as Mr. Abdul, who is Vijay's manager. So here I'll log in with Mr. Abdul's credentials. Here you can see I have a dashboard for identity verification. So I can click on this number that will show me the items that are pending. Okay. So I can click on the icon to perform the next activity. Okay. So here you can see it tells us which the next activity is. So in this case, we have to perform a level 1 review. So I'll click on level 1 review, and here I'll select the action. Okay. So once I review the data, I can choose the action. So either I can approve this or I can request additional documents. Okay. I'm going to approve this. I'll give my signature, and I'll click on save. Now once I save this, it will go to the admin for level 2 review. Now I will go to the admin login. I'll refresh the page, and here you can see there is an icon indicating that this item or this task is actionable by me. So I can click on this, I can click here, and I can perform level 2 review. So once again, I'm going to approve it, and I'll click on save. Now once I approve this, you can see the the task will come to a completion. You can see the status has changed to completed. Now, similar to address verification, we also have a dashboard for identity verification. So you can see the dashboard here. Okay, so here also you have these details and you can interact with it. So when you click on any one of the numbers, it will show you the details. And again, similar to previous time, when you click on the icon, it will show you all the individual activities. Like first, the agent started his travel, then he reached the location, and then he captured the documents. After that, there was a level 1 review done by Mr. Abdul, okay, and then a level 2 review done by Mr. Admin. Okay. So this is how you can use the web app and the mobile app to perform background verification. So say goodbye to delays, paperwork, and errors. Transform your verification process with effort. Contact us or sign up to learn more.